This is my honest review of Vigo red beans and rice New Orleans recipe. I always like to start out the review by showing the caloric count. It's 200 calories. It does have 7 grams of protein. But 0 fat. There you go. So Vigo red beans and rice is a popular boxed meal kit that is a delicious, and I mean delicious, and convenient way to enjoy traditional Creole-style cuisine. The meal kit includes long grain rice, red beans, and a blend of spices that create a flavorful and aromatic dish. I mean, this stuff is great. I can't say anything bad about it. The meal kit is easy to prepare with simple instructions that can be completed in under 30 minutes. The rice and beans are cooked together in a pot with water and the spice blend, creating a rich and hearty meal that is perfect for any occasion. I mean, it's a great side for just about anything, especially chicken, though. One of the benefits of Vigo red beans and rice is that it is a high-quality product made with natural ingredients. The beans are non-GMO, and the rice is gluten-free, making it a great option for those with dietary restrictions. In addition to its great taste, the meal kit is also a good source of protein and fiber. I showed you the 7 grams of protein. The beans provide a good source of plant-based protein, while the rice is a good source of fiber, helping you to keep feeling full and satisfied. Overall, I would say Vigo red beans and rice is a delicious and convenient meal kit that is perfect for those who want to enjoy traditional Creole-style cuisine without spending hours in the kitchen. Its natural ingredients and nutritional value make it a great choice for those who want to enjoy a tasty and healthy meal. And we have it all the time with all of our chicken dishes. We really, really love it. Go out and get yourself some.